Man, I really need to update Windows 11. Yeah, I think the support's ending soon. Sure.
Why would you want to update to Windows 11? I'll answer my own question. In just a few short weeks, Windows 10 will no longer receive updates. And by that point, security issues will become a major threat to all Windows 10 users.
When you say in a couple weeks, you mean like this month?
Exactly, on October 14th. Currently, it is October 1st. You have less than 2 weeks to upgrade, but I can show you how. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen.
So is that this little logo over here?
Yes, it's the Windows logo. Then, you're going to want to search through until you see Settings.
If it's not working, here's what we need to do is we need to go try.
Now that you're here, you can click on the Windows Update button in the upper right corner. And afterwards, the Windows 11 version update will be right there. You may have to click Update in order to receive this. You can then click Download and Install, and accept and install after reading the terms and conditions.
Download this and try to get it
And
working.
after a few short minutes of installation, you'll be ready to go. Now that the download has begun for Windows 11, we will wait until the download percentage reaches 100%. We'll get back to you when it does. Now that the downloading is finished, we can now wait until the installation menu reaches 100%. Now that the installation has been completed, we can now click on Restart Now, because all of our installations are complete. Once we restart, our computer will update to the new Windows 11 program.
And so you're going to come up with a way to present the status.
Now that your device is finally restarted, you can now sign in to your account. It will keep all of the same information, so you can log in using your the same password that you've had.
We can do it a couple different ways.
Now, although the layout is slightly different, it is a lot of the same functions as Windows 10. For example, all of your pinned taskbar items are now closer to the center right here. Your start button will be closer to the center, however, you can edit the layout to be similar to Windows 10. If you want to find the power button, all you need to do is click on the start button and then scroll over to right above here where the power button will be, with the same options as before, a little more easily accessible, however. A lot of the pinned applications will still be here.
Thank you so much for upgrading my computer to Windows 11. I wasn't sure when the support was going to end for it, so thank you.
Anytime. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and watch another of our tech videos.
I will.